Welcome to Singing with Ron. So in this next video, I want to show you Ujjayi breath. This is a breath that I learned in yoga, in Ashtanga yoga to be precise. Ashtanga yoga is a type of flow yoga. It's kind of the grandfather of flow yoga and power yoga and those types of yoga. And when you do that kind of yoga, they teach you a very specific type of breath. And so what it sounds like is, it kind of has a weird sound. It goes like this. And what it does in yoga is it helps you to engage your core, to breathe more deeply. And what I find is happening, most people think it's a constriction in your throat, but it's not. What I find when I'm doing it is I find that I feel like my throat is opening up. Specifically, my false folds or ventricular folds are opening up. So there has to be something that is relaxing in order to, so basically what is making the sound? And what is making the sound is your vocal folds, your true vocal folds, relaxing. And so this is a really wonderful way to warm up your body before singing. Also, it's a great way if you're sitting and you're about to get up and sing and you can't really make any sound. This is a really great one to do because it's not that loud and hopefully somebody's not too close to you and going, why is that man making that creepy sound? Yeah, but it's a great way to just practice the feeling of support and awareness into your body. Yeah, so I feel like my chest is open. I feel like my core down here is engaged a little bit. I feel like my obliques are engaged. I feel like I'm creating space and opening up all at the same time. So, wonderful exercise for singers.